6 unexpected ways to remove rust with things you have at home. There are plenty of things you can use to remove rust, and some of them may already be laying around your house. Have you ever gone to grab your gardening tools only to realize that they have gotten a bit rusty, or even worse, they have gotten a lot rusty? It's easy to think that your tools are beyond saving. But don't throw them out. There are plenty things that you can use to remove rust from metals, and you probably already have many of them at home.
Before starting, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you will not miss my upcoming videos. Let's start quickly.
Today I'll be sharing 6 different ways you can clean rust and rust stains using everyday items from around the house. These methods are quick, easy and effective at removing rust from all kinds of items. Give them a try and you'll find that rust is no match for your cleaning prowess. Vinegar. The best way to remove rust from small items is to soak them in a vinegar. Just let the rusty item soak for a few days, then give it a scrub. Repeat as needed until all the rust is gone. It's effective and requires almost no effort, just a bit of patience. Lemon and salt. If you need to remove a rust stain from clothing or other fabric, grab a lemon and coarse salt. Sprinkle the rust stain with salt, then squeeze half a lemon over the salt. Let it sit for an hour or two, then scrub the stain with the lemon rinse. Launder as usual to remove the rust residue, salt and lemon juice. Baking soda. If you have rust in a hard to reach area, a baking soda paste is likely your best bet. Just mix a handful of baking soda with enough water to make a paste. Then spread this paste over the rusty area and scrub with an old toothbrush. Let the paste set for an hour or two, then scrub again. Rinse the paste off and then dry the item thoroughly. Potato and dish soap. As strange as it sounds, you can use a potato and a bit of dish soap to remove rust. Start by cutting a potato in half, then place the cut end of the potato. Let it soak in the soap for a few minutes. Next, use the soapy potato to rub the rusted area. The soap helps remove general grime, while the oxalic acid in the potato helps break up the rust. Once the rust is gone, rinse and dry the item thoroughly. Sandpaper. If you are dealing with a really thick layer of rust, it's better to start by removing some of it using good oil, elbow grease. Grab a sandpaper and start scrubbing at the rusty area. As you remove more rust, switch to a thinner grit sandpaper to avoid damaging the metal underneath. Once you have sanded this rust down to a more manageable level, try one of the other methods listed here to remove the rest. Bar keeper's friend. If you have tried other methods and nothing seems to be working, reach for bar keeper's friend. This sourcing powder contains oxalic acid, which reacts with iron compounds in the rust and make it much easier to scrub away. But be sure to wear protective gloves when using barkeeper's friend because it can easily irritate skin. Use a wet sponge and a sprinkle of barkeeper's friend to scrub the rusty item. Then let it sit for a minute or two and rinse the item. Rust doesn't usually stand a chance against the stuff. How to prevent rust from forming? The best defense is a good defense, and it's no different with rust. You don't have to remove rust if it is never forms in the first place. So, how do you keep your things rust free? The most important thing you can do is to keep the things dry. Moisture is almost always the rust culprit behind the rusted metal. You should dry any metal item promptly if it gets wet, and be sure to keep your tools from where you know they will stay dry.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. This is all for now. If you have any questions, you can write in the comment section below. If you have any other ways, would love to read them, mention them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.